Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to use Notion for digital note taking. So when you go to their official website, you'll have to simply create your free account, and after that you're going to see something similar to this. So here on the left side, as you can see, you're going to have all your workspace, and basically what you can do, you can start taking notes right away. So if you press space for AI, as you can see, or slash for commands, and you can add the basic blocks. As you can see, you can add a text, you can add a page, you can add a to-do list, and much more, depending on what you want to use Notion for. So as you can see, you can create databases and much more. Another thing that you can do on Notion for digital notes, you can simply go to templates, and basically you can choose from these templates depending on your projects and for what you want to use it, for school or for whatever. So you can simply choose any of these, and after that you have to simply click on get template, and as you can see, Notion will create this template, and basically with this account from your computer you can use it on your mobile phone, and basically it will be updated in real time. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.